Let's talk about big data. Let's unlock the insights from vast and complex data sets to drive innovation and growth. What is big data analytics? Big data analytics involves techniques and tools to collect, process, and extract actionable insights from extremely large, complex, and rapidly generated data sets. These diverse data sources include web, mobile, social media, and IoT devices, often requiring specialized platforms due to their scale. Big data helps in informed decision-making. Big data provides immediate data-driven insights for faster, more effective decisions. They also help organizations understand complex trends and make informed strategic choices. Big data is useful in identifying root causes and solutions by analyzing vast amounts of data. Big data analytics identifies patterns and inefficiencies to optimize operations, reduce costs, and improve productivity, uncovers new business opportunities, aids in developing innovative products, and tailors services to evolving customer needs. We can give customer satisfaction by predictive analytics, and personalized experiences lead to higher satisfaction and loyalty. Even in risk management area, they assesses risks, detects fraud, and enhances security, especially in finance. What is the scope of big data analytics in India? There is a boom in this field. India is rapidly becoming a global hub for big data analytics, driven by digitalization and a skilled workforce with $16 billion market growth. Many industries are adopting big data analytics in India. There are many sectors like telecom, IT, healthcare, retail are using big data analytics for customer insights and personalized experiences. There are many technological advancements in India through big data analytics. Integration of cutting-edge technologies is boosting big data analytics in India, like artificial intelligence and machine learning, cloud computing, real-time analytics, and many more. What is the global outlook challenges in this field? Globally, analytics drives competitiveness and market responsiveness. Growing regulations like GDPR emphasize ethical data handling in the field of data privacy ethics. Increasing reliance on data for strategic decisions fuels demand for expertise in data-driven cultures. New business models emerge across diverse sectors. So, let's conclude that big data analytics is a transformative force. Big data analytics empowers organizations with smarter decisions and competitive advantage. India is poised for exponential growth, becoming a global leader in analytics, while worldwide, its evolution will shape the future of business and society. For such informative and trending videos related with statistics, mathematics, and data science, follow us on Instagram and YouTube.